Hi, my name is William Young. I graduated from the Master of Product Development program, which is now the MIIPS program, in 2011. I've always kind of wanted to design things that people interact with. If you're helping design something that people work with and put their hands on, you should probably learn about how your design impacts them. The user research methods course, that course was very eye-opening and really cool. Both like the practical exercises of going out and observing people, interviewing them, and learning about what made their jobs easier or jobs harder, or their interactions easier or harder. That's something that I've used as kind of like an extra little dimension to a lot of design that I work on. I am a staff mechanical engineer at Mainspring Energy. I deal with pretty tough technical problems, and Mainspring Energy develops a product that is very technically complex. Using the user research method processes that we learned about in the class, I make this process as easy as possible for this person who might be working on it. I really just enjoyed working with such a small class. Also being exposed to a lot of different backgrounds, industrial designers, some people came in from automotive engineering. I think there's like a chemical engineer in there too. Like everyone is drawing from a different background, a different knowledge base. So being exposed to that unlocks a lot of like creative potential. And you come up with some really cool design solutions when you are exposed to those.